Internet sensation Amari set freed by the Jamaican court after she had her court hearing yesterday. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Social media sensation and also recording artist Omari is counting her blessings today after she was just fined $22,000 under the Disaster Risk Management Act as it relates to breaching the COVID-19 protocol in Jamaica. The entertainer, who has been visiting for just 2 weeks now, was brought before the courts last week after it was found that she breached a protocol on her arrival in the country. So what does this mean for Omari now? Omari now is free to travel back to the United States after her travel documents were seized by the local authorities for just a few days. So she also took to her social media just in order to thank fans for the support and the love that they gave her while on her visit in Jamaica. She also took the time as well to post this receipt that you're seeing on screen of the payment that she made in the courts, and that took place in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And we have a highlight of that clip now to share with you, with her telling her fans thanks and giving us an update of what really transpired in the courts.
Just want to inform you about what occurred in court. I'm still there, the Montego Bay court, and I met with the judge. They called my name pretty fast. I was surprised to see how fast the system is in Jamaica. I expected to be here the entire day, and in no time I was called. The cops know me well. That's cool. All of a sudden I heard them talking about Gully Bob, Amari, the whole works, and when I went into the courthouse, they called me in less than 5 minutes, and the judge asked me guilty or not guilty. So I said guilty with explanation. So she asked what was the explanation, and I informed her that, I received a business approval to come to Jamaica. And she said, what was she charged with? And they said the COVID-19 thing, and she was like, what? Anyway, I liked when she said, remove your mask. She didn't tell anybody else to remove their mask. And she said, what else have you been charged with? And they read to her that I was charged for explicit language. So I said, they said guilty or not guilty? So I said guilty with explanation. This time she ignored me. And she just said $2,000 for cuss bad word. Anyway, like me said, the judge charged me $200. And not even 200, that's like 1,500. That's like what? It's only 20,000 US. That's like $150. Good morning. So, David gone at the ATM, gone get the money because the machine take American Visa, and I'm gonna give them the money, and I'm free to go back to America. So, and I'm also gonna post whatever I had to pay. You understand? Because then they're gonna be, I'm lying. You understand? So I'm gonna post that proof. Here's my Jamaican passport. I am proud to be a Jamaican. Mommy, I love you. Jamaica is my mother.
Well, there you have it. Amari giving us an account of what transpired in the court yesterday, and I can tell you that she sounded very happy based on the charges that were laid against her and on the fine that she was asked to pay, just $22,000. So I'm gonna give you a breakdown of what she was charged for. So under the Disaster Risk Management Act, she was charged $20,000 for breaking the COVID-19 protocol in Jamaica, and she was fined $2,000 as well as it relates to using expletive while those charges were being laid against her. So as you know, Amari has been a top premier social media sensation, and that has been garnering so much views on YouTube and also Facebook through her hilarious action and her play series that has been doing really well. So this individual was the former lover of fallen entertainer Gully Bob, and as you know, the history between Amari and Gully Bob and that went down some years ago, but she has been doing her thing, and I'm really happy that she was not charged a lump sum of money. She was just charged, like, that would be roughly around 150 US per se, and she was just so happy to have her travel documents returned to her. You could just see the joy that she had based on the fact that she was able to return back home, and she still expressed the love that she had for Jamaica, which is very good. And I know this was just an unfortunate situation that played out with her, and I hope that she don't hold this against Jamaica and she just continue to just put in the work and do her thing. She has over 240 odd thousand followers on Facebook and over 18,000 on her YouTube channel. The social media influencer Amari paid $20,000 when she appeared before the St. James Parish Court on Wednesday after she was charged for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act. Omari, whose given name is Venice Fong Chong, was charged after she was found in breach of self-quarantine order when she was seen at several places on her arrival in the island. So it's very good that the judge was a bit lenient with her, because based on the Disaster Risk Management Act, she could be fined up to $1 million based on those regulations outlined by the government recently. However, she's alright and she's set to head back to the United States sometime this week, not sure of the date. However, I know that she will update her fans. So big up yourself, Mari. Much love and respect goes out to you, and you're keeping your fans entertained, even though at times the situation seems so serious on your reality TV show. I'm telling you, but you're doing your thing, and I really commend you for trying to put out that extra effort in order to get your content out there, and I must say thumbs up to you in doing that. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and guess what? We're out for this one once more.